Hey crafty friends, it's Courtney Brickner, the CB behind the Crafty Brick. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, if you have been here before, welcome back. Today I want to share with you a very fun thing that is exciting for the Crafty Brick because you can now purchase DTF transfers through my website. They are Siser easy transfers and you don't have to weed anymore. So if you've got like a larger order, these are perfect for you. And the really cool thing is not a high temperature, not a high press time, and only one press. A lot of other DTF transfers, you're gonna have to do pre-press, press, and then another press with like Teflon sheet or like a parchment paper. This one, it's just got the pre-press and the press, and that's it, and you're done. So you can get a lot of work done in a little amount of time. So today I want to share how I did, what did I do? 10 t-shirts and 5 hats, because you can do hats as well. And it was under 30 minutes. So that's what I want to do. I want to walk you through how to place an order, what happens when you get them, what they look like, and how you press them. So let's go over to the computer and place an order.
And you will see at the top, easy transfers across the top navigation bar. So we'll click there. And here is just a quick video on how to order easy transfers. You don't quite need it because I'm going to walk you through that. But if you forget, you can go ahead and watch the video. Scroll down, and if you want info on sizing and application instructions, you can click right here, and all of the information that you need will be on these PDFs. So it's got the application instructions, artwork sizing, so you know the best size to make your items. It's got information on the artwork that you should try to stick with, and then just general information about DTF. And then it's also got the how to order video there as well. So we'll go back and we'll scroll down. We're going to order and upload right down here. You might be confused with this part right here, upload design, and it's not clicking anything. That's not where you click. You're going to click down here where it says upload and the arrow. So you click the upload button, and then you go to find the image that you would like to print out. It's going to process the image, and you just wait for those colors to finish, and it's uploading the picture. And when you get your picture in here, you have some options for editing. So you can sharpen the edges, you can do a white outline, or you can make it have soft edges if you want to change anything. You don't have to, obviously. Or you can just stick with the original. The width and height, it already comes in at whatever that image is set to, but you can change that. So I'm going to change this to 10 width. And so that price right there, it's $5.08 for that one image. And it tells you right here, add one more to unlock 17% savings. I'm actually going to order 10. So my price is $33.80 for 10 of those images. So it's really like $3.38 for one of the DTF transfers. So then we're going to click save. And if you want to add more items to your order, you can go ahead and click upload. And let's see. We're going to upload this image. This one actually has a background in it, so I want to show you what you can do with that. So we can go ahead and click remove background here. We want to include the holes because I want the O's, the middles of the letters to still be visible. And there we go, it removed the background, so we will use that. So if you've got an image that has a background that you don't want, you can go ahead and use that feature as well. And then maybe we'll say we're going to do 10 of these. I really just wanted to show you how the background remover tool works, but don't need this one right now, but I do want to get a few more of this same design because I want to do some hats also. So I need just a smaller size of this construction hat. So let's do 10 of those, and we need those to be the width 4. And I think I'm going to do a white outline for this one. All right, and then we will save it. Okay, so we've got 2. One is, oh wait, what is this one? This should be 10 inches. Okay, so we'll go, make sure I just want to change that. Okay, so we've got this one that's 10 inches by almost 8.5, and then this one is 4 by 3.384. All right, so now we are ready to check out. You'll enter your information here. And after you enter all your information, you click payment. And we've got our subtotal here, that's $39.20, and shipping is $10. If you spend $75 or more, then you will actually get free shipping. But I also have a discount code for you. So enter Crafty Brick, click apply, and then you're going to save 10%. So your total is $45.28. You'll go ahead and pay with any method that you like. Then it will get shipped directly from Siser, and they will ship it the next day, so you'll get it really quickly. What we are going to do now is head back to my office, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to make a t-shirt and a hat using our easy transfers. So let's go do that. All right, when you receive your transfers, it's going to come on a big roll, a big sheet with all of your designs on one page. You just unroll it. It's just like a gang sheet. You're going to have the QR code here on at the bottom of each design. You're going to need to cut that off, and you're also going to need to cut off the sides. There's like a little rainbow pattern on the side here. So the QR code and then the little rainbow pattern. You want to make sure you cut all that off, because if you don't, it's going to press onto your blank. Every now and then I've been able to just peel that color off, because it just kind of comes off easily from the side. But I would not risk having little trace amounts of ink on there. So I suggest just cutting it completely off so that you don't mess up anything on your image. So then you'll have just your transfer there. The white side is the part that you're going to put on your blank, and you're just going to separate all of them and get them ready to press. We've got our heat press set to 285 for 15 seconds. They recommend 12 to 15 seconds, so you can decide what works best with your press. Actually, they recommend 280 to 290 degrees as well. I just kind of went with the middle and stuck with 285, so that works. So we do a pre-press for just a few seconds. While I'm doing the pre-press, I find the center of my design by folding it in half, and then we pull out our blank, place our transfer onto where we want it to go. The white side is in the back, so you can actually see your design facing up, and the white in the back is actually just the adhesive. So you're going to press it 15 seconds, and then let's see, 30 seconds. When it's finished being pressed, you just peel off the top of your transfer and it's finished. You don't have to do any other press. It's perfect, ready to go. It's just so quick, and it just lets you be a lot more productive because you don't have to do multiple presses each time you're doing a new blank. So let me just show you what it looks like on our gray one. We're doing the same thing again. We're going to pre-press. We're going to position our transfer where we want it, put it in place, press for 15 seconds, and then when it's finished, we're just going to pull it out and peel it off, and then we're done. I'm telling you, this is so convenient. The colors pop. It looks so great. And the nice thing is that you don't just have to do t-shirts. You can do all kinds of things with these easy transfers. We're going to do a hat now. I like to tape my transfer into place just so that it doesn't shift when I put the press down on top of the hat. So I just take a little piece of tape, tape it to each side, and then I place it onto my hat press and lock it into place, into position, and then I put the hat press down, and we are ready to press it the exact same way that we did the shirt. We're doing 285 degrees for 15 seconds, and then when it's finished, we're just going to peel it off. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's how simple it is to order from the Crafty Brick, get your easy transfers shipped to your house, and make a whole bunch of stuff in a little amount of time. If you want more information, check the description. If you're going to be placing an order, do not forget to use the code Crafty Brick to save your coins. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Stay crafty, my friends.